Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best car trash cans that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link in a description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this video. Starting at number 5, we have Smart LED Car Trash. Another car trash can on the top belongs to NJNJ. What makes this trash can super special is because it is designed with smart LED light on top of the pocket mouth of the trash can. What it does is that whenever you open it, the LED light will pop up, which allows you to throw the trash at the right place. Besides, the light is also there to remind you to never forget closing it, too. This garbage can from NJNJ is very slim that it doesn't occupy much space, so even with small car, you can still use it. On top of that, because this trash can is made of high quality, artificial leather, so it's both durable and waterproof. Therefore, you don't have to worry about having the trash or water leaking from it. Moving on at number 4, we have Hotor Waterproof Car Trash. Hotor trash can comes very large size that it can store up to 2 gallons of trash, so you can always have your vehicle clean anytime you have this with you. Using waterproof fabric as the material, this trash bin is super durable and sturdy, so you don't have to worry if it will get collapse when it's fully content. Moreover, it is also designed with the lid and elastic opening that is self-closing, so it will store the trash securely and prevent them from falling down. On top of this, there are also some mesh pockets surrounding this trash bag, too. Hence, you can keep anything from plastic bag to any car accessories at its side. Hotor Car Trash can is truly unbeatable in terms of price, so it costs you no fortune to get this. Own this now and get your car cleaned a second later. At number 3, we have Mystar Car Trash Can Bin Waste Container Plastic. There is Mystar as the best car trash. It is designed with a wide base, so the trash can is able to stay stable on the floor. Moreover, Mystar trash can is made of PP material, so it's super high resistant and durable. In terms of the capacity, it is measured in 3 liters, which is a perfect size for any car. It is also recommended that you regularly take the trash can to pour outside since this trash can doesn't have the top cover, so for any wet trash in particular, it may cause some unpleasant odor to your car. Mystar Garbage Bin is an excellent product to have when you have kids on the car. This product is a clean and easy solution. Suitable for dry and wet waste. Heavy base to prevent slipping during driving. Easy to clean and wash. You can also use it as car storage box. At number 2, we have NJNJ Waterproof Car Trash. Here at the top second, we have another waterproof car trash can from NJNJ. With the dimension of 13.5 x 10 x 8 inches, this XL size car trash can is big enough to contain anything trashes from wet to dry messes. Moreover, it also comes with lockable top in order to secure the trashes from pulling to the top and spill over to the carpet. NJNJ is also included with high-quality plastic hooks, so you can secure your trash bag in your car. This car trash can is perfect to fit any car from personal to family's vehicle, truck or bus. Keep things neat in your car, purchase NJNJ Car Trash Can. And finally at number 1. Hotor Car Trash. Moving on to the top, here we have another highly recommended car trash can from Hotor. What's special about Hotor Trash Can is that it comes with lid, so you don't have to worry if the trash will spread any odor to your car. Moreover, it is made from super sturdy material that is sealed with leak-proof lining, so there's no such thing as water spilling or staining on the carpet. However, in case you don't want it to be the trash can, you can also use it as the mini storage where you can place anything from toys and car accessories to valuable belongings that you don't want to get exposé to others. Thank you for watching guys, I hope like you this videos. If this video helpful to you, please make comments and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.